Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do AI avatar trend on TikTok or Instagram, right? So basically, the first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store, or if you're using an iOS, then just go to the App Store, and here you have to type Lensa and you have to search this app, and here you will get this app, and here you have to download it. So here you can see guys, I have already downloaded it, and if you have already downloaded it, then make sure that you update the app right now. Okay, and after updating the app, you have to just open the Lensa mobile application here, and it will take a very few seconds. So basically, if you just want to sign in, you can do it, and here just click on Magic Avatar. So basically, Lensa is a paid app, and basically you have to pay your right. So just click on try now, and here we have to select our selfie. So just click on continue, and we have to select 10 to 20 selfie, right? So we will just select all these selfie that we want. So right now, and just click on import here, and it will take just a few seconds, and here you can see that two photos are not required. So it is not properly according to the requirement, right? So we have to select two more photos. And after that guys, you have to just select your gender. So I will just select my gender here, and after that, as I told you, this is a purchase, this is a paid version, right? So basically, to use this feature you have to pay some money, and here you can see that if I pay, then I will get to use this feature. So this feature is pretty amazing and pretty new in this whole world. So that's why if you want to use this feature, just pay it out, and after that you can use this feature, and you can just do the trend over the Instagram or TikTok. So guys, this is it. If you found this video really informative, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.